You want to explain what you're doing as you're doing it?
Well, they're going to take that out,
And then we're gonna,
and you're just going to run these, stump one of these things over it, just to decap it. Just like,
the bees put a wax over all the comb there. There's a couple different ways you can do that. The way Aaron's doing it there, we got this tool here. And I could probably go like this with that one.
Very gently, not too deep.
yep, that's a good one.
Look at that. Wow.
So save all this wax.
Petrified bee in there.
And you can take the knife or this here scraper thing seems to, that's a good one. It's real.
That one works kind of good too.
This one seemed to be pretty easy too. Look at, see here. Just pour right on through there. I can stop every once in a while.
And the decapping knife is just,
Do both sides?
Both sides, yeah. Which one do you like best, Aaron?
they're all about the same. Decapping knives are kind of nice.
The knife kind of works good because you can do the whole thing at once.
Let's get this top part up
What's going
here.
on in there?
I don't see anything
I
down there.
know.
Yeah, you're gonna want to flip that over and do the other side as quickly as possible.
Yeah, so it doesn't drain out. That'll really dig in it.
Yeah, that one might not work, so.
You got a rod. Just don't stop, just keep on going.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works out good. That's a good one.
Yeah, I like that one the
We got a
best.
couple of those at home. That's one Cora likes.
Yeah, I think if reincarnation is true, I wouldn't mind coming back as a Labrador.
A Labrador.
I think that would be all right. Just go sniff some bees and run around and chew on your bone and bark at people. What a life. What a life, dude. Okay, so
Turn that down. We'll get to spinning.
I did. Yeah, I put it in. Is that on? The thing? The outlet, I mean?
Yeah, it's on. Oh, no, it isn't.
No, it's not on up there.
Oh,
That's what
yeah.
I'm talking about.
there we are. Red light.
That's the light I want. Turn it down.
And the door's closed, right?
Just like Mama's washing machine. Oh, I can already see it. Go ahead, spin that thing. Get it up there. There, now I see it throwing it out on the side there.
smell it now.
Yeah, smells good. So I do it this way for a while, then I'll stop it and turn them over so you spin each one the opposite way. I'm gonna slow it down.
I think you need to speed it up.
That's all the way up.
Oh, okay.
And if you take each one and just spin it around, they're still pretty heavy. So if you,
Oh yeah, you spun a lot out of that one.
yeah.
Crazy.
Look at that.
Yeah, you're almost at the top of your spigot. You are at the top of your spigot.
Yeah.
And then let that other honey just fall down to the bottom, all the stuff you got.
Look at that. That's
And then what you do is when they get that done, that is what you use to fill jars. And this basically strains out all the cappings and stuff that came flung on off in the honey too.
Well, we gotta go get it. We don't have to show it now.
Oh yeah. I was gonna cook chicken thighs today.
You got a barbecue, right?
Yeah. Oh, we can cook. We'll be
Oh, yeah.
fine. But